So we're here as Kula at NAMPO Harvest. Really the core of us being here is just to really interact and engage with the farmers. And also, having launched our smart farming campaign, we'll also be asking some of you, what does smart farming mean? So yeah, so come with me. Let's go to NAMPO. I'm here with
Mene, Zara,
and Risi.
Ivan Zuza.
Tamago Mateda.
Stebo Malele.
Davi, Viljoen.
Altea, Sunai, Tolakele.
Gavi, Komrik.
When you hear the word smart farming, what does smart farming mean for you?
Something with hydro.
Okay.
Something with technology.
Yes, I would also agree something to do with technology or something to make it easier.
Taking matters to your own hands and not just leaving it to nature.
An unconventional approach to farming where you leverage off technologies.
Ek dink smart farming is soos trokke wat nou trekkers van nou Tesla's is en dan hoef jy pa nie meer 5 uur in die oggend wakker te maak sodat jy nou moet gaan stroop en boer.
When you use more technology, it helps you to get things done faster.
Having the tools in your hand that makes farming easier, that can have the data that will be easily utilized by you as a farmer to make sure that you farm properly and profitably so.
All right, awesome. All right, that's it. Another insert of what does smart farming mean?